this is Olivia's Adventure. Today we are still here in Sapa, and after going up the escalator, this is the line for going to the funicular. I think it's a funicular, and a lot of people are really going there. Sapa, Fansipan, we are going up Fansipan. So it's winter time when we were there, so medyo foggy, but this is the inside of the funicular. Yan, it's foggy out, you can't see a thing, but yan, dyan lumabas na yung ibang view, pero medyo foggy din talaga kasi winter time. Maybe summer time, mas maliwanag. These are the views you were supposed to see when in a different season. When we were there, it's 6 degrees. And medyo umuulan, so we have to buy raincoat. Kaya yung mga picture namin sa Fansipan, doon sa yan, ganun ang picture namin. Naka-raincoat kami at walang masyadong
ay, meron.
Pila-pila pa rin.
Hala, ayun.
This is the funicular.
Is the summit. We are finally here at the summit of Fansipan. Parang hindi ko makuha yung cellphone ko.
Yes.
Okay, we're going down here and up there. Ay, wala. Hindi makita? Hindi makita. Ayan, yan.
Hi. Pasok si Betty?
Ayan.
Ano kasama? Wala, hindi ka napasok dyan.
Si Julie.
Yan.
Sino pa? Ay, mali. Oh. Sa ulan sama. Ana. Pa. Video yan. Si ano? Yan. Oh.
Bago ng Pilipinas.
Kapatayan.
Table.
On your journey, you will walk for Southbound Dapno, Bigman, Daihong Chung, at Sunwell, Pontis Celeste. On your journey, you will walk for Southbound Dapno, Bigman, Daihong Chung, at Sunwell, Pontis Celeste.
Chào mừng quý khách đến với Uzura. Độ quyền Cần Thơ, độ quyền Quang Đông và đại hội trọng tài.
dito, no? Makakatanin pang nila naman.
Lunch buffet here. Everybody is queuing. Ha? Kape! Uy! Orange. Creamy chicken mushroom. Soup! Soup! Vegetables. Uy! It's from big bamboo shoot. I don't know what this is. Ay, kamote. Aba, alis to si Buena. Andyan na pala. Share tayo.
Sige, ako.
Kuha ka. Share tayo. Bigat. Egg siguro. Or egg. Ha? Tikman.
Pero ito si curry.
Okay.
Seafood. May nakita ako ano.
Nano?
Eel.
Oo.
Yan. O yun. Oh, nuts.
Ulit.
We love the food here, especially their fruits. Thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.